Brexit refers to the United Kingdom leaving the European Union. It is a complex process that changed trade, immigration, and law for millions. The term is a simple portmanteau of British and exit, representing the formal withdrawal of the UK from the EU political and economic union. After nearly 5 decades of integration, the UK decided to reclaim its legislative independence, marking a massive shift in its international standing. The exit fundamentally changed how goods move across borders, ended free movement, and allowed the UK to set its own regulatory framework. Compare the seamless integration of membership to the new reality of border checks and independent policy making that defines the post-Brexit landscape. While trade continues, the introduction of new friction at the borders has impacted the volume of goods moving between the UK and Europe. Regardless of political views, trade agreements remain the essential foundation for economic stability in any modern, interconnected global market. Brexit remains a work in progress as trade policies evolve. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more simple explanations of global issues.